Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make text appear word by word in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. So now I'm going to create a text. So this, for example, this. Then you need to select this, Control C, and click on Control V again. So here you can see that this is my first text. I'm going to go on to the second. Here you can see first text, second text. Change the text. This is now change, move that here. My and here you need to add sample. So it is up to you. I'm just showing you the example how you can create this. So here you can see that. And if you want, you can make the duration little bit less or little bit more, so it is up to you. So let me make it the duration less so it will look more good. So you can adjust the text according to your video and you can make it more faster so it will look more good. So this is the process how you can make text appear word by word in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.